This is the LED grow light unboxing. So you get a little card with some information, QR codes, hanging kit, and power cord. Here we have a Zener, not sure if I'm saying it right. Failure of one LED does not affect the operation of other LEDs. A 10W COB LED and a real 3-watt EPILEDs LED chips. So first thing we have is the power plug. Then we have the hanging hole, cooling fan, exhaust outlet, and power switch. Here we have the red light, so red 630, 660, and then light enhances, UV light, UV 380, 400, IR 730, 735, and blue 460 to 470. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.